Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of the One Motorhome. This is the channel where we try to find the perfect layout, the perfect design, and basically the perfect motorhome for you. Today I've travelled all the way from Choose Leisure Motorhomes in Canterbury all the way out to the showroom just outside Allendorf, and this is actually Carthago City. So I've come here to show you some of the most luxurious motorhomes and van conversions that there are available. Today I'm going to be demonstrating this little beauty. It's less than 6 meters in length. This one is called the Malibu Van Diversity Coupe 600 DBK. Now it's a bit of a mouthful to say it all in one go. I will admit that. However, inside it's absolutely fantastic. Outside here we have got an external fly screen to cover this entire door. This one has actually got the option of the extra table as well, so you can actually sit out here and have your dinner when it's nice weather. We're going to start on the outside having a good look around this vehicle, then we'll go inside and I'll show you all the layout and go through the technical details. Let's go. So starting at the front of this van conversion, you've got the big Malibu sign on the grille, and this is the new updated grille for Fiat and makes it look very mean, I have to say. Just above there, you've got the Malibu sign just up here, if you can see that. So Malibu, a company of Carthago. And what a fantastic looking van this is. Really it is. Lovely colour on this, isn't it? This one's the 9-speed fully automatic Fiat Ducato, and it's actually got 140 brake horsepower, and you've got the 16-inch alloy wheels on as well. You've also got electric, should I say, adjustable wind mirrors, and they're also heated. And I love that little table outside, don't you? Look at that. Just above the habitation door, you've got a big LED light, and you've also got the Malibu canopy on there. So that's a Dometic canopy, which obviously rolls out, and you've got 2 legs which will drop down. Now, obviously, this is a sliding door on the side, and just behind that sliding door, as I mentioned, you have got a big fly screen that goes across, which will protect you from the flies and the mosquitoes and things like that getting inside. And just here, actually, this is where you fill up your fresh water tank, and I'll put the dimensions of those tanks on the screen for you. So it's actually got a freshwater tank and a wastewater tank. Both doors at the back, of course, do open up. So these open up nice and easily, and that gives you access to a huge amount of storage in the back here. Just to the left, just here, this is where your gas bottles live. So you get 2 nice sized gas bottles in there. And also all of this area is heated as well. So if it's cold outside in the winter, you're going to have a nice blown air coming through just underneath the bed, which is going to keep you very nice and cozy. And I have to say as well, these windows at the back do open up as well. So that's a big plus on these vans. If you're in bed and it's a really hot night, to open those windows up is fantastic. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you the entirety of the other side, but you have got a window just here, which of course will open up, and that's just down the bottom there is where you plug into your electricity. But what a fantastic looking van this is, the 600 DBK. This is actually the first time that I've reviewed this vehicle, or the first time I've looked at it, and I'm really wowed by it. I have to say it's very, very nice. And for the sub 6 meter market, I have to say it's going to be one of the best, isn't it? Just here, this is a little extra bit of work surface, so you can pop that up. And I'm not sure if you know, but a lot of these van conversions, you have to sort of pull down these little bits under here, which becomes very awkward to actually drop that back down. But with this, you literally just grab that little handle, drop it down, and look at that, I've done it one-handed. I don't know why they don't all do that, to be honest. You've got extra travelling seat belts in the back, so you've got 2 forward-facing seats, both with 3-point harnesses, and you can have the additional pack to turn this into another double bed. So basically this van can sleep 4 and also travel 4. In the cab, so I'm not sure if you guys have seen one of these yet because they are very, very new, but you've got a digital dash, multifunctional steering wheel, you've got a keyless start stop, 9-speed fully automatic gearbox, lovely DAB radio, and also this one's been updated with the motorhome specific satellite navigation as well. So what do you think about that, guys? That is fantastic, isn't it? Remis blinds going all the way around for privacy in the front here. And of course, both the seats do swivel around. So they're both captain seats. And then just underneath here, look, you've got your cup holders to take your nice drinks with you, your nice cup of coffee. This table just here, it does extend out. So there is a little catch underneath here. So you can literally just swing that round to extend the table so everybody can sit around here nice and easily, having a bite to eat, a cup of tea, or maybe a game of cards. Just round to the left, this is your kitchen area. So you've got 2 gas burners, little sink area in here. You can use it as a chopping board, or you can take that out and obviously you've got a nice little sink in there. And then this, look at this. This is really a showstopper. Look at that. It's fantastic. Lovely little fridge freezer in here. Then you've got some nice work surface up on top. And then above that, a nice little bit of storage. Look, do you know what? I've never actually seen that in a van conversion. So neat and tidy. At the back, you've got a massive transverse double bed, and this can all lift up out the way. So you can use that as storage, which is brilliant. And look at this, guys. Lots and lots of storage all the way round. And I have to say, this van, as a van conversion, is probably one of the best out there. Let's go and have a look in the toilet and shower. Let's see what they've got in here. So in the toilet shower, I bet you're wondering where the toilet is, aren't you? You basically turn this little dial here, and I can't do it with one hand, but you turn it and the toilet actually pulls out to here. So at the moment it's in its tucked away position, and then that little flap comes down to protect it from the water. So if you're having a shower in there, the toilet is completely tucked out the way, which is excellent. Your shower head's just up on the top here, look. You've also got a little sink just below, and even below that actually, look at that, you've got a bit of storage in there for your toilet rolls and all that sort of stuff. Nice little mirror for getting ready. Plug point for your toothbrush or your razor. Place for your, your aftershave or your perfume. And this has basically got a sliding door. So let me see if I can show you that. So that slides round like that. So obviously that turns it into a proper little shower room, doesn't it? Very, very nice. Up top on this one, you can have a TV on a TV bracket here as well. So you can sit in the passenger seat or the driver's seat watching that TV. And they've actually got a clever little bracket on this. So the TV will slide round and then spin around so you can actually lie in bed watching that. That is a really good idea, I have to say. But let me know in the comments below what you think to this one, guys. I think it's a winner. Less than 6 meters. So you're under that magic 6 meter mark. Brilliant layout. Very well made, very well designed. Obviously made by Malibu. So you know you're going to get some quality. Sub 6 meters, under a 3.5 ton chassis. So you can drive it on a normal car license. Fully automatic gearbox from Fiat. Beautiful colour van. This one's got a few extras on it, I have to say. So this one's got the chassis package, the main cabin package, the driver's assistance package, and the Fiat infotainment package, which includes that motorhome specific satellite navigation. However, the basic price of this, so the starting price of this vehicle is only around £60,000. So if you think about it, what you're getting for your money with these vehicles is tip top. If you've got any comments, then do leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And also, if you haven't already, then do subscribe to the channel. I hope you've enjoyed this video demonstration, guys. My name's Jonathan. This is the One Motorhome channel. Keep watching, and I'll see you soon.